Let us look at proposition number 1 of book 11 of Euclid's Elements. The proposition says a part of a straight line cannot be in a plane of reference and a part in plane more elevated. So we have to prove that this is not a straight line. To that, we have to realize that in this plane of reference itself, AB will continue as a straight line. So let me bring in that. And now what we'll do is draw a circle with B as the center and AB as the radius. But this circle, we will not draw it on the plane of reference. We'll draw it on the plane in which all these three lines are going to be in. So if I rotate it, you will notice that this is the plane in which all the three lines are there. So let me bring in the plane. So this is the plane in which all the three lines are there. Now I'll draw the circle in this plane and I'll mark the intersection points C and D and I'll hide those lines. So now what do we have? We have a situation where we have assumed that ABC is a straight line and ABD is a straight line. The difference being that in case of ABC, a part of it is in one plane and a part of it is in another plane. Whereas in case of APD, the complete line is in the plane of reference. Can we say ABC is a straight line? No, because remember, ABC, if it is a straight line and it is passing through the center, that means it is the diameter of this circle. So we have ABD as the diameter of the circle. ABC also is a diameter of the circle based on our assumption. The diameter ABC is cutting the circumference into two unequal parts, whereas the diameter ABD is cutting it into two equal parts. And we know that the diameter of a circle will cut the circumference into two equal parts. So we can say ABC is not the diameter of this circle, which means it is not a straight line. Whereas ABD cuts the circumference into two equal parts. So ABD is a diameter, which means it is a straight line. The only problem with this proof is that in Euclid's Elements, plane of reference is not defined. And explicitly, it is not mentioned that this circle has to be drawn in this particular plane. So that is proposition number 1 of book 11 of Euclid's Elements. Again, let me remind you, there is a link to a PDF book which describes all these propositions in detail. Please feel free to download it, refer to it, and if you think somebody else can also benefit from it, please do share. That's it for now.